In this video, I will present the script that I use to micropost to LinkedIn from the command line. I will start at the end with the entity that the LinkedIn API expects. A post request to the endpoint https://api-linkedin.com/rest/posts, the body of which is a JSON object containing at least the following: author, commentary, the text of the post, visibility, distribution, lifecycleState. As you can see, this is the end product of the Python script. Back to the beginning of the script. The script contains a class simply called LinkedIn and relies on the LinkedIn Python API library. When instantiated, it prepares the following instance variables: userinfo resource, posts resource, API version, access token, REST LI client, and userinfo. It loads the credentials, that is to say the access token, either as a system variable or from the .env file. Then it instantiates the load REST CLI client using the API library. Then it uses this library to retrieve the necessary information about the user associated with the access token, me, from which it constructs the identification string for the URN, which is a necessary parameter for the post request. Using the REST CLI client again, it sends a post request with all the required parameters and receives a response object, which can be used to log the success or failure of the API call. It is important to explicitly note the API version at the time of writing April 2024, because non-version calls have been deprecated.